welcome to the All Things Hair channel. My name is Noelle from the Lifestyle Blog by Noelle, and I have teamed up with All Things Hair for this Get Ready With Me video. I am going to show you step by step how I create these soft waves from shower to styling. My hair is pretty fine, but I've got a lot of it, and it is also very straight and smooth, so I need products to help create the texture that I want. So let's begin. Let's do this! I am going to show you my hair care routine from shower to styling. And so you can see I've just washed my hair with the Nexus Youth Renewal shampoo and conditioner. Looks like this. Now this duo not only smells absolutely amazing, but it cleanses your hair and renews it from within with liquid pearl and elastin protein. Whilst my hair was wrapped in this hair towel, I did my usual skincare and makeup routine, and now to the fun part, styling. So next, I'm going to add a couple of drops of the Youth Renewal Elixir, which basically protects my hair throughout the day and adds volume and shine. Oh, that smells so good. Next up is the VO5 Frizz-Free Cream. I'm going to pop this into my hand and use it all over for heat protection, as we're going to go in and blow dry and use a styler later to create my everyday loose waves. Right, let's dry this mess. So my hair is all dry. It is very straight, lots of volume, but I want a bit more action in my hair. So that is what we're going to create now. I'm going to quickly brush through my hair and then part it, because I've got a lot of hair and it's going to take a bit of time to curl it. Now this is the easy part, promise you. We're going to take a small strand of hair and curl it away from our face, and the next strand towards our face. That's this part done. Let's continue. And that is everything curled. Now I'm not finished just yet. We are going to add some sea salt texturizing spray from Toni & Guy. I tend to spritz this in my hand and then run it through my hair. I don't really know why. It's just my preferred method. Loosen up those curls. I'm going to finish this hairstyle with the Tousled Texture Creation Hairspray from Toni & Guy. Again, I just like touching my hair whilst I'm spraying. Right, I'm going to quickly change and I will see you in a bit. And we are done. I really hope you enjoyed this get ready with me video with me, Noelle, and all things hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.